Two new foldables from Samsung, but are they really worth your money? Let's cut through the hype. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now we're breaking down the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. We'll compare them head-to-head, break down who should buy which, highlight the biggest upgrades over last year, and yes, we'll call out the drawbacks and the price tags. No sugarcoating here. Let's get started. Starting with the Z Flip 7, Samsung finally addressed one of the Flip's biggest issues, which is the battery life. The Flip 7 now packs a 4,300 mAh battery, up from 4,000 mAh on the Flip 6. Samsung claims it can handle up to 31 hours of video playback, which is a meaningful improvement for a compact foldable. Still, if battery life is your priority, traditional flagships like the Galaxy S25 or the iPhone 16 will outlast the Flip 7, especially under heavy use. The main display is a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with a 120Hz refresh rate. The new 4.1-inch flex window cover screen is Samsung's largest yet on a Flip and finally useful for widgets, notifications, and selfies. Speaking of selfies, you can use the 50-megapixel main camera for them, which is a big step up over the usual front-facing shooter. But the Flip 7 still misses a telephoto lens, meaning all zoom is digital, which puts it behind regular flagships like the Galaxy S24 that offer dedicated zoom cameras at a lower price point. The crease on the screen is still there. Less obvious, but you'll notice it. And at $1,099, you're definitely paying for style and compactness more than raw performance or camera versatility. Now onto the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's productivity-focused foldable. The Fold 7 unfolds into an 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display with a 120Hz refresh rate paired with a wider, more practical 6.5-inch cover display. Both look and feel premium, especially for multitasking. Samsung managed to trim it down slightly to 8.9mm thick when folded and 215 grams in weight. Still, it remains a bulky device compared to regular flagships like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The camera system is strong, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. However, even with this setup, the Fold 7 struggles to match the zoom range and low-light performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which also comes in at a lower price. Performance is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite and up to 16GB of RAM, making the Fold 7 excellent for multitasking, gaming, and creative tasks. But despite that power, the 4,400 mAh battery feels average, especially when you factor in the massive screen. Competitors like the OnePlus Open actually manage better battery life in a similar foldable form. On the plus side, the Fold 7 now includes IP48 water resistance, a welcome addition even though it still lags behind regular phones in overall durability. And then there's the price. The Fold 7 starts at $1,999, which is a serious investment. Samsung still hasn't integrated a slot for the S Pen, which feels like a missed opportunity for those wanting a productivity tool on the go. And despite the build improvements, foldables remain more fragile than traditional smartphones. So, who are these phones for? If you want a stylish, compact phone for selfies and casual use, the Z Flip 7 is a good pick, though the Galaxy S24 or iPhone 15 Pro offer better performance and battery for less. If you're after a big screen for work, multitasking, or creative tasks, the Z Fold 7 delivers, but it's bulky, expensive, and still behind the S24 Ultra in camera and battery. The Flip starts at $1,099, the Fold at $1,999. If this honest breakdown helped you out, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.